Jackson Fonts will be our first ones. Big thank you again to Bedrock Landscape Material for being our sponsor of 85 to 125 youth.
Been riding bikes since he was 14. He's so crazy.
We're going to go down to the 185. After this, we're going to do the 250, then the 450. We'll prepare the arena and we'll be ready to go to the big demo. We got over 16 cars tonight inside the street car, sponsored by Noah's Ark Roofing, serving Arizona, and hardest hitter, Diamond D Rehab and Fitness and Wellness. For all your rehab needs, you get surgery, anything you need rehabilitation, get over there to Diamond D Rehab, and all your roofing needs, Noah's Ark Roofing. We got over 10 cars in the truck SUV, and in the limited weld, we got around 10 of the big boys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're ready for the 15, or the 85 to 125. We're going to start with Camp Birdie's own baseball player, Ryder Yates, right here. Those of you along the fence, you can sit down, we'd appreciate it. Those of you guys along the fence by the beer booth, you guys can squat down, appreciate it. Fire guys, squat down. What do you say? Send them home right there, Ryder Yates. How about an 1831 for the Camp Birdie kid in 1831? We're going to now go to another Camp Birdie kid. It's been going around all over the country riding motorcycles. Bryce Peachtree, sponsored by Peachtree Construction. Come on, Bryce. All right, we need round 3. What do you say to the Camp Birdie young gun? Go on. How about a 17.18 right there? 17.18. Now we're going to go to Prescott, Arizona to Jackson Fonts. Jackson Fonts, you're up. Taking your car, next is Jackson Fonts.
Can you go any way you want? Yeah.
How about a 1935? 1935 for Jackson. Now we're going to go to Surprise, Arizona. Tatum Kinkard. Hey, Kennard, you're up. Surprise. Come on. Once again, those of you guys standing by the stands behind the beer booth down in the premier seat, if you guys can sit down. Sal, I got some guys to the far side. If you can have them sit down over there. What? How about a 1983? 1983. Now we're going to go back to Prescott, Arizona. You saw him inside the younger group of the smaller engine. Now he's in a big one. This is Colton Shamars. Colton Shamars. Prescott, Arizona. How about a 19 or 20.25? 20.25. Now we're going to go to Camp Birdie's Braden Dodge. Come on, Camp Birdie, let's see what you can do. All right, help him home, come on. How about a 19.32 puts him unofficially in third place, 1932. Right now we got an 1718, an 1831, a 1932, and a 1935. We're going to now go back to Dewey, Arizona. You saw him already once in the quad. This is Joseph Giles, part of the Sunbelt Equipment Rental Company out of Dewey. Hello. Now we're going to go to Ryder Smith. The first one's Ryder Yates. It's Ryder Smith out of Camp Verde right here. Let's see what we can do. Come on. It's Camp Verde, Ryder Smith. Come on, you can do it. How about it? 20.31, 2031. Now we're going to go to surprise to Tanner Kennard. Tanner Kennard, surprise Arizona. How about an 1853 right there, though? Woo! Now we're going to go to Denny Caucus. Denny Caucus, you're up. Keep thinking about it. Tucker Adams, you're coming up. Tucker Adams, you'll be last. This is Denny Caucus, and we're going to go to Max Sabatina. There you go, go on, Denny. How about a 2571? 2571. We're now going to go to Max Sabatina. Max Sabatina, you're up. Going down. How about a 1905 right there? 1905 for Max. Now we're going to go to Rush Wormers. Rush Wormers, you're up. And we'll finish up with Tucker Adams. How about a 21-19? 21-19 for Rush. Now we're going to go to our final one, Tucker Adams right here. Our final one, see what he can do. How about a 1965 for Tucker, 1965. We're going to go ahead and move the barrels off the stake and bring the tractor in. How about your number one, Joseph Giles with a 1597, followed by Bryce Petrie with a 1718 coming back. Then we go to Ryder Yates with an 1831. Ryder Yates, 1831. And then I believe we go to an 1853 Tanner Kennard. You're going to be